What's up, traders? Only one ticker today, AAL, but as you can see, there was a lot of tickets. Let's get to it. All right, traders, so as usual, I totally forgot I wasn't recording. Actually looking to get stopped out here if she goes high a day. If not, we're going to actually look to add 200 shares here and then risk off high a day. Just kind of feeling if she wants to do it or not. Going to either hit buy or sell. Looking like we're going to hit sell though, because she did kind of move right back up to high a day pretty quickly. Really do not like the level 2 and time and sales here on Thinkorswim. Alright, looks like she's getting rejected. We can go ahead and add our 200 shares here, 44. So we're just seeing if she wants to break pattern here or continue towards high a day where we would be getting stopped out. Right down, there we go, right through the trend line. Hopefully she'll go ahead and continue from here. So we're just looking for this 30 to flush. She doesn't seem to want to do it. We're probably just going to go ahead and take 200 off here, just in case she doesn't. We don't want it to push back up against us yet again. Alright, that was because we had our stop in. Of course, as we hit it, she decided to break. We're going to see if we can get an actual flush here. Alright, this is a nice quick one. We might just go ahead and take the whole thing here. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and take the whole thing here. Alright, so not too bad. So AAL starting to feel a little toppy here. She made another run. We're taking 200, just looking to get back down to that 3250 area. Would love this closer to 33, but she doesn't seem like she really wants to get past the 75 area. Kind of hanging out here. Again, take a starter here at 73. Looking for this to kind of go up towards 33 just based off of the movement here. See if we can go ahead and get up there, or we'll be looking to cover down there towards 3250. So she's trying to get up here towards 33. She's still making a decent move as far as going quick. We're going to try to feel the top here. A lot of red coming through. We're going to go ahead and take 200 there at 3290. And our last ad is most likely going to be 33, or the 33 break if she can get there. All right, so we're sitting right here at 33. Looking to take our last shares here. Take 400. Kind of top us off, and then we'll risk off a 33. See if she'll pop up a little bit closer. And we're going to take it here at 93. Kind of felt like she didn't want to make that last little push. Just looking at how extended she is here, we're feeling pretty confident that 33 should hold. All right, so just like that, we're coming down. We're going to take 400 off there at 83. Left with 400 at an average of 32.93. So it's looking like we might get stopped out of these last 400 shares. She tried to come down, it's going back up. Got her stop right here at high a day, right over high a day, 33.01. The odds are if she hits that, she's going to continue up. So we're going to come out. Big seller there at 33, getting eaten through. Yep, and it's gone. We actually got filled at 33.04 there. All right, well, that's a little unfortunate. Kind of just gave back everything that we had from the first one. And at one point, we were actually up over $100 on the day when she dipped down there for us. But we were looking for that move back down towards 32.50, and she just didn't give it to us. And this does appear to be a little bit of a fake out. Let's see what she does here at 33. And she's coming back under. We might try to jump back in, get our 400 shares back. Kind of sucked to be wrong there with the top tick as far as the cover, but it's looking like it was a fake out. We're going to go ahead and jump in 400 shares here. See if we can't continue back down towards that 32.50 like our original plan. Right, so if we can get 85 to crack. It's been trying a couple times now. Got a nice little descending triangle. There we go. Through 85. We'll look to take half our shares here. See if she's got a little bit extra. 77. Oh, just coming back up. All right, we're going to hit it there. Oh, jeez. She jumped right back up. We ended up getting 82 there. We're going to keep the other 200 and see if we can't get those down towards that 32.50 area. And so we just got to stop in for those last 200 right there above our entry, and there it goes. So all right, we got stopped out of those. It looked like if she's going to curl a little bit, she might try to go again. So this thing is not doing what we want it to do today. Unfortunately, it's one of the only things that we can play. So looking for the sloppy seconds here. It kind of feels like she tried to make a run again and didn't get there. Still extended. Just trying to look for a possible entry here. Just making sure that this is actually going to get rejected. If we see that 32.90 come up again, the odds are she's going to come down. And there it is. Again, just looking for this 32.50 area. Still pretty extended. If we can get under 75, that'd be pretty sweet. Obviously, using Hayadea's risk here again. See if we can get this 85 to crack again. There we go. 80. See if we can get under 80. 79. And we're gonna take our half there. And we're basically trying the same thing again. This is exactly what happened last time, and then she creeped back up on us. But we're really looking for this thing to continue down and give us that move towards 32.50. We're back under 80. Let's see if we can get this crack of the support line here at 78. There we go, under there. See if we can get a little bit more. 75. So we can get through there. Kind of slowing down here. We're going to take 100 there. It leaves us with 100. See if we can continue down closer to that 32.50 area. Kind of tired of dealing with this thing. See if we can get down through 70. All right, we're through 70. We're just going to look to take these last 100 here, seeing how far she'll push. All right. Looks like she wants to go back over 70. Yep. All right. All right, traders, so as you can see, that was my day here on AAL. We actually ended up $65 on the day. I actually pre-did the math here on my handy-dandy calculator. Commissions at the $2.95 a ticket rate would have been $50.50 for the 17 orders that we had today on AAL. However, with the new lamppost route via CMEG, sign-up link will be down below. You can go check out the CMEG review that I did a couple weeks ago. It's also in there. But with that route, it would be $16.40. So I am highly looking forward to that. It makes a huge difference when trading with a small account. That basically gives me $50 on the day versus it would have given me $15 on the day with the $2.95 a ticket. And don't even get me started. You can't trade like this on SureTrader. SureTrader 17 times $4.95. $84.15 in commissions. So you would have ended up red on the day by almost $20. So that's a no-brainer, guys. CMEG's definitely the way to go, especially with the new route. They're definitely competing right now for your business, and they've earned mine July 1st. Obviously, this will all be live, So we'll get a better look at it then. But for now, I'm just doing the math and kind of just keeping tabs on it that way via the journal, which I have been keeping just to keep you guys updated on that as well. I'm not sure why. Oh, there it is. Okay. So I've been keeping tabs of all my trades while I'm on paper, just like I would be normally, writing in, keeping the charts, everything. This is something you should do whether you're on paper or not. You should always be practicing the exact same way that you would be doing something for real. It's the whole point of practicing. So just to get to the trades real quick, it's kind of, let me pull off the orders real quick. Show trades. There we go. So just to show you what I was initially going through, obviously we won't see the entries, but you saw them via the live trade. You know, overextension, looked to get in. We were looking for the drop back down towards VWAP, and we ended up getting it. We were actually just looking for this thing to continue a little bit more, and we didn't get that. So we took what we could get there, and when we got out in this area, we came back a little bit later. It was on the scanner again, and we saw this thing just was moving. So we were waiting for this thing to get a little bit further extended. We wanted to wait till 33 initially. I even had said that in the ISW room. If this got to 33 quickly, it'd be worth playing. And I wish I would have listened to myself, because I ended up starting this thing early, just because it kind of felt a little toppy here. As you can see on this 1-2 minute candle here, she did kind of hammer down a little bit. But she decided to continue, and this would have been the optimal entry. But we worked it, and we could have got out here for a little bit after we had gotten that ad, or actually it was here, but we ended up getting, it was on this candle, but we ended up getting stopped out. It was a little bit of a, we realized it was a fake out, so we were just kind of confirming it was a fake out after this candle, and on this candle we jumped back in at 90. And sure enough, we just kind of had to wait it through. Didn't get quite what we wanted here, and sure enough, she eventually gave it to us. Or actually, we got it on this candle, and then she stopped us out for the remainder shares on this one. And then we realized we were in a nice little descending triangle here, and so we decided to jump back in at 90 again. It was right after this candle, and then that's when we realized we were kind of in a descending triangle. So we jumped back in at 90, and sure enough, she gave us a nice flush. We took off the majority of our position here, and then we got the rest of it right in here. So she did end up finally giving us the 50s, but we just weren't patient enough. This was a long day of trading just in one ticker like this, and unfortunately we didn't get out of it what we had aimed to get out of it. But she was trading a little bit weird. It just definitely felt like the bulls were a little bit more in control. She was getting her pullbacks, but it almost felt like just wasn't pulling back like we wanted it to. Even though she did, if you really want to look at it, follow suit almost perfectly. When she came up, she broke this previous resistance, came up, made a new high, came down. She tested that previous resistance as support just to show you that the bulls are in control, and now she's bouncing off of that. So it's a strong stock, definitely one to maybe look at tomorrow for a hangover if she wants to continue up in this area. And just because looking at the daily, she is a little bit extended, as well as looking at the average VWAP coming across here. She has been staying above it for the most part, but look how extended away she is from it at this point in time. So we'll definitely keep this one on the watch list for tomorrow, and that's that. So like and subscribe, guys. If you haven't already, I'd appreciate the support. I do. This week's been a little bit draining, so we're just kind of taking it step by step. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Sorry for the longer video. There's a lot of tickets to be shown. So, and sorry again for not getting the first entry. These kids, man, they definitely have a way of keeping me from hitting that record button in the morning. But sometimes I'm lucky to even sit down by 9:30. Anyways, catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.